Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Sagittarius, and I'll be picking one card for y'all from the Wisdom Oracle Guidance deck. So that'll be a general guidance. So we will see what it is after we see the reading with these cards, guys. Sagittarius, so we have Rider, Bear, and Sun. So Sagittarius, in your situation today, guys, it may be in your career or it may be in this relationship. There is a person, it may be your sibling or a friend who is older than you, who has honest intentions towards you, but this person is giving you some advice. It may be suggestions or advice, but it is something that you cannot follow, and you feel that they are dominating and controlling you, and you feel helpless today, guys. Maybe you don't know what to do with this person because this person is quite important to you, and you cannot you cannot give up their suggestions. So you are still thinking and deciding what needs to be done today in your situation, guys. Sagittarius, and Sagittarius, maybe to remove all these troubles in your situation, there is some kind of a messenger or a message reaching you, something very positive, guys. So it may be a message from this person you love, or it may be an important communication in your work situation. So it may be a beginning of a project or some assignments. Something positive is coming in your life today, guys. Maybe this person is telling you something about this person you love because they do not trust them and they do not like this person. So they are trying to change your mind, change your views about this person, or change the way you feel about them. So they are trying to poison your mind, guys. But you are, this message you receive, it is simply firming or strengthening that belief you have on this person. So things are taking a positive turn after you receive this message, guys. Sagittarius, so let's see what is your Wisdom Oracle guidance, guys. We have a change in the wind. So Sagittarius, in your situation today, maybe in your career or personal life, there may be some inevitable changes happening, but you need not worry, guys. These changes are necessary right now in this relationship or in your career, just to give you that growth and understanding. So you need to understand yourself first. So these struggles are giving you the space and freedom from this relationship, or space and time in this work situation, to bring that understanding. And even this situation will change, guys. You need not worry. These struggles are not going to last forever. You just have to take a break, maybe isolate yourself from these struggles for some time. Things will clear up and everything will be fresh and new again, and this situation will also change. So the troubles in your life will also change for the better, guys. Sagittarius, so that is the reading for you all today, guys. Sagittarius, thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Sagittarius.